Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am, as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So we are here with Milady Meme Coin, right? Or call it My Lady, whatever you want. But the point here is that it's pumping. It really is showing, very, very promising movements. And a lot of you are here very hungry and thirsty to get these massive gains, right? You want to see these breakouts. You want to see explosive moves. And most importantly, you want to see your bag multiplied so you can gain these, financial profits that will change your lives forever, right? You want to make a lot of money. Now, a lot of people are speculating, which meme coins are the ones that are going to be producing the highest returns, but at the same time where you can ride it safely without any massive risks and so on. So everybody is calculating the different challenges that could come across, but also looking at how high it can go. Now, My Lady has gotten its reputation, name, and popularity pumped so much because of the Binance futures voting process. As you remember, Binance put out this voting process where you could actually, pick your favorite meme out there, your favorite crypto, and a vote. And obviously the votes required you to be registered, put some USDT and so on. But it turned out that My Lady did absolutely insane, at the top. Okay, so of course, a lot of people are going to be asking, well, shouldn't it be getting listed? Because Binance, of course, is looking at these rankings and they want to list the next big thing where they can actually make money out of it. Now, a very important point as to why I think Binance is obviously going to list it, and on top of it, why we could be seeing crazy amounts, of money being made. And I'm not talking about some double, triple, quadruple profits. I'm talking, 10x and above. The reason for that is that My Lady is very explosive, ladies and gentlemen. Let me open up this graph so you can see about, what I'm trying to make, the point. So not long ago, right, we saw this crazy peak that a lot of memes were going through, right? This was, around March. My Lady, as you can see, really stands out on the charts. But before that, it was pretty flat. And it was doing pretty average numbers. I'd even say very low compared to what it is now. So it was doing 2-3 million, around this number. Guess what? When it really mattered, when all the memes started pumping, when everything started going up, okay, including Doge, SHIB, and everything, My Lady went crazy, right? Insane. From 3 million, it went all the way up. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. You see 66. Let's see if we can catch a higher one. Around 66. Maybe there could be even a higher one because coin market cap doesn't always display the best numbers. But the point here is that when it mattered, it pumped. It really did massive volumes. And if you go, right, let's just say 65 million in 24 hours. Now, when you're doing 3 million and then you go to 65, right, you're doing 20x the amount of volume. So there was so much interest around it when the money started pouring in that this thing absolutely exploded. And obviously, if you were here, you could have made a very, very nice buck out of it for sure. Okay. So this is very encouraging because I see it as the pre-altcoin bull run, right? This is a little taste, a little teaser of what we had. And if it does so well, on such a small, teaser that, a little trailer before that preview, imagine what it could do during the altcoin season when the money is really going to be pouring in, when investors are going to be rushing in and just throwing in all that Bitcoin money into meme coins. It's going to get very, very, very interesting, okay? And we could see this, losing a lot of zeros. On top of it, psychologically, everybody's going to be going in with that FOMO. And us, if you manage to get it here or even here, ladies and gentlemen, these are very nice buying opportunities over here where I'm trying to create a little circle here. This is crazy buying opportunity. I don't think it's going to go down this low anymore. You're not going to see these type of dips. Maybe it could dip a little bit more, but not this low. But this is still a crazy opportunity. So what we have here is a meme coin that can move, that is extremely explosive in times when it matters, that has a lot of exposure, a lot of momentum on it. The holders are constantly growing. I mean, if you go on this, ladies and gentlemen, we've got 21K, but this is all the time, growing and growing. It's always going in an upward trajectory. So, of course, it's very interesting, these moments. And on top of it, if Binance lists this, this is going to get wild because, as I've said before, Gate.io, Bybit, these are big exchanges, okay? Massive exchanges, and they produce a lot of volume. So we've got 4 million coming from Gate.io. Bybit does 1.8. Very nice numbers, but they're nowhere even close to what Binance can do, what Coinbase can do. I mean, Binance will easily do, I think, 10x of that. And when Binance lists it, it's going to get wild, ladies and gentlemen. So, of course, people are now, just panicking from all that FOMO, and they're trying to run in and buy as much as possible. And as I've said, every dip is just getting eaten up, and it's always going to be going up. It's also following Bitcoin very well, which is very nice as well, because Bitcoin is predicted to go over 100K in this Bitcoin halving. So we could see some nice pumps coming from that. But either way, all put together, I think it's got a very solid, ladies and gentlemen, case to do well in this out season, Bitcoin halving. So you're missing out if you are, not part of this community, because the community is very strong. I mean, if it votes Milady Meme Coin so high up in that Binance Futures voting process, then there is something behind it, right? There is some support for sure, okay? And you can do your due diligence. You can research yourselves. Again, I'm just giving you some information out there. I'm just telling you that this, the whole point of this video was just to make it clear to you that this can move, that it's explosive, that moments that it matters, it can produce volumes that we haven't even seen before. And now it's consolidated around this 10 million 24-hour volume, which could go even higher. It's been such a short period of time, yet we are seeing so much happening in this short period of time. So the pumps are still to come. The zeros are yet to be, eliminated. And the market cap, we could easily be doing 1 billion and 2 billion and 3 billion. It's the meme season. We're going to see a lot of winners with very high market caps here. So as of now, I know there's a lot of excitement with the Bitcoin halving. We're in it. Let's just keep going. Let's keep pushing. And yeah, guys, don't forget to comment, like, share. Your subscription button should be on. And most importantly, a big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.